Hello everyone, this is Andre from SWL. Today is 1 December and it is the first day that Radio Pilipinas returned to shortwave. This is after they had left the airwaves in March when the United States Agency for Global Media shut down most of its shortwave transmissions around the world. This followed an executive order by President Donald Trump that the US AGM should end most of its shortwave transmissions. So Radio Pilipinas used to transmit from Tinang, which is a site in the Philippines, and this site was run by Voice of America under concession from the Philippines. Apparently, the concession stated that Radio Pilipinas should also be allowed to use that site. So when US AGM and VOA shut down their transmissions from Tinang, Radio Pilipinas also ended their transmissions. But in the past 6 months, there have been some negotiations between the Philippines and the US, and now the US AGM has agreed that Radio Pilipinas can continue with their transmissions. So hence the restart today on the 1st of December. The interesting thing is that the concession to the US from the Philippines to operate this transmitter site in Tinang states that if the US AGM does not use it, then all facilities will revert back to the Philippines. So the US AGM has apparently still been maintaining the site. I don't know what exactly is going to happen there, if they are going to restart some transmissions. If not, then all these facilities, which as you can see in these pictures are huge, will revert back to the Philippines and they will take ownership of this site. But anyway, for us as DXers and for Filipinos living abroad, this is very good news. After 6 months, Radio Pilipinas is back on shortwave. They've been streaming all along since March when the shortwave transmissions ended, but they just couldn't be heard on shortwave. This morning, the first transmissions recommenced between 0200 and 0330 UTC. These were in English and apparently well heard in the US and around the world. In this video, you can see me checking the other frequencies. This is the Tagalog programming. It starts at 1730 UTC and runs until 2030 UTC. So that's 3 hours of shortwave transmissions, and that's on a daily basis. And the English one is 90 minutes, also on a daily basis. Really wonderful news. And really a sign that shortwave is still alive and that some governments still value shortwave. Radio Pilipinas, of course, targets mainly Filipinos living abroad. Filipinos work in many countries around the world, and in many of these countries, they do not have access to free, good quality media, and Radio Pilipinas fills this gap. You can see me in this video checking the frequencies. As I said, it's 9370 kHz, 9925 kHz, and 12120 kHz for the Tagalog transmissions. In the description of this video, I provide you with the exact times and all the other frequencies as well. In the rest of this video, you can hear the very emotional return of Radio Pilipinas to shortwave. It starts with a beeping tone just before the transmission starts. And then there is the national anthem, some theme music for Radio Philippines, mention of the frequencies and the times, and that they are back on shortwave. Then they also play a Christmas song. You can hear the word Pasko, which means Christmas. And then eventually, after that very long introduction, the regular programming starts, a program called Ang Pilipinas Ngayon, that means the Philippines today.
Para sa himpapawid ng Pilipino program ng Radyo Pilipinas World Service, ang international broadcast ng Presidential Broadcast Service, Bureau of Broadcast Services. Mula 1730 hanggang 2030 UTC, mga sumusunod na shortwave frequencies. 9.370 MHz, 9.925 MHz, 12.120 MHz. PBS Radyo Pilipinas World Service. Magsisilbing tulay sa himpapawid. Maghahatid ng balita, impormasyon at tuwirang serbisyo publiko. PBS Radyo Pilipinas World Service. Tulay sa himpapawid ng bansang Pilipinas. Para sa Pilipino, ang panig ng mundo. PBS Radyo Pilipinas World Service. Mas pinalakas, mas pinalakas. Bukod sa shortwave broadcast, mapapanood at mapapakinggan ang Radyo Pilipinas World Service gamit ang social media platform. Panoorin at subaybayan ang mga programa sa Radyo Pilipinas World Service sa live broadcast sa Facebook page at YouTube channel at sa Radyo Pilipinas World Service live audio streaming. Pinagsanib na pwersa ng shortwave broadcast at social media platforms upang mas makapaghatid ng balita, impormasyon at serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas World Service, ang international broadcast station ng Presidential Broadcast Service, Bureau of Broadcast Services. Para sa Pilipino, saan man sa mundo. Radyo Pilipinas Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas Radyo Publiko. Mahalagang mga balita, napapanahong impormasyon. Kami ang iyong gabay pag may bagyo at sakuna. Serbisyo ng gobyerno at magmay nangangailangan. Mga proyekto ng pamulong, damang-dama ang pag-uungan. Tulay ng mga hinaing, ang problema ng bayan ating lumitusin. Tulay sa himpapawid, tulay ng pagbabago. Radyo Pilipinas, ng bagong Pilipinas. Radyo Pilipinas, ng bagong Pilipino. Mga proyekto na pamulo, ang dama ang pagmamahal niya. Radyo Pilipinas, ang boses na Pangulo. Karamay niyo kami, kahit malayo man kami nakakarating. OFW magtataka, buhay ay iba't iba, saan mang lugar ng bansa natin. Tulay ng mga hinaing, ang problema ng bayan ating tulay sa himpapawid, tulay ng pagbabago. Radyo Pilipinas, ng bagong Pilipinas. Radyo Pilipinas, ang bagong Pilipino. Mga proyekto na Pangulo, damang-dama ang pagmamahal. Radyo Pilipinas, ang boses ng Pangulo. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Ito ang Presidential Broadcast Service. Radyo Pilipinas, Radyo Publiko. ng bagong Pilipinas para sa bagong Pilipino. Naghahatid ng mahahalagang balita at impormasyon na kaugnay ng pamahalaan sa sambayanan. Tulay sa himpapawid ng serbisyo publiko. Radyo Pilipinas. Radyo Publiko. Ang boses ng Pangulo. Radyo Pilipinas. Publiko. Narito na ang pinakamainit na mga balita na nakalap sa bawat sulok ng bansa. Ihahatid sa bawat Pilipino, saan man kayo sa mundo. Ang Pilipinas ngayon. Pakinggan ang bawat kaganapan sa bawat lalawigan. Ito ang Pilipinas ngayon.
Magandang araw po sa ating mga tagapakinig. Welcome po ulit sa ating programang Ang Pilipinas Ngayon. Ito pong muli ang inyong lingkod, Steph Vicente. Samahan niyo po ako sa kabuuan ng ating palatuntunan.